In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to sign into TurboTax by verifying your identity. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of TurboTax. Click on the option Sign In. When you try to sign in, you usually have a few options like using your phone number, email address, or user ID. After you enter one of these, you'll get a verification code sent to your device or email, and you can use that code to get back into your account quickly. Now, if you don't remember your email, phone number, or user ID, don't worry. All you have to do is click on this option, try something else. With this, you will be directed to this page where you'll need to fill up these details. You will be asked to provide personal details like your last name, date of birth, social security number, or chip code to confirm that your account really belongs to you. After that, you will be given different recovery options such as using a passkey, entering your password, or receiving a code to reset your password. And if none of those methods work, you'll still be guided through additional security questions to verify your identity and regain access safely. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.